How to recover or reset your BitMart account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover or reset your BitMart account. For that, you will need to open the BitMart website or the BitMart application. If you have downloaded BitMart application, then tap on the application to open it. Soon after opening the application, you will land on this page. Here you will find sign up/sign in button. Tap on this button and you will be presented with a login page. Here choose whether you have signed in with your phone or email. If you have chosen email, you need to tap on this email option next to phone. Now after doing that, here you will need to enter the email address of your account. After you enter the email address, you will see the password box below. Since you have forgotten your password, here you need to tap on this forgot password option just below the password box at the right side. Once you tap on this option, now here again you will need to select phone or email, whichever you have used to sign in to your BitMart account. Tap on this email if you have selected email. Here type in your email now. Now after typing the email, tap on this next button below. You will need to complete this CAPTCHA. And once you complete it, tap on this OK button. Now after that, here you need to tap on this send option at the right side of this box. Once you tap on send, now a verification code will be sent to your email address. Wait for the code. Here you need to find the verification code in the email and enter it in this box. After that, tap on this confirm button. Now you can create a new password for your BitMart account. Make sure your password meets all the requirements presented below. After that, enter the same password in the second box. Now after doing that, tap on this confirm button. Now after doing that, you can see your password has been successfully reset. Now you can use the new password and log in to your account. Enter your new password in the box and tap on the sign in. Now again you will be asked to complete this CAPTCHA. And after successful verification, you will get a verification code via email. Wait for the code. And once you get it, enter it in this box. And then you can see you have successfully reset your password and recovered your BitMart account. So by following these steps, you should be able to reset your BitMart account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.